Bye-bye, enemy! Thanks for the warning about the trap. That was amazing. I just used a battery for no reason, but that's fine. I suppose. Where are we going now? We're gonna climb up this ladder! Oh yeah, called it. Picked a really good time to have a drink. Right, up the big ladder. What have we got here? Right, okay. So, this still doesn't look like a sawmill. Have we done that? I don't know what we have and what we haven't. Flashlight. Is that bigger? Oh, it is! Doesn't want to pick it up though. There we go. Massive flashlight. The best flashlight. It's creepy. Silence. Silence.
Oh, that's never a good sound, is it?
No. No, it isn't. I did say we were in a sawmill, so. Where is he? Alan? Where are... See where he is? He's in there. He's in this maze of pallets, which I'm not too keen to enter. Where the frick is he? Alright, looks like I have to go in. Oh god! Crap, that scared me. Mr. Chainsaw. Wow, he did not want to die. Holy mother of God. Right, that was not fun. That is quite fun. So something, is this, okay, right. Yes! I heard something. I hear movement, and it makes my eyes sting. Ah, clock. The hell? Are there going to be poltergeists to look forward to? It certainly sounds like it. Knock over the table. Revolver ammo limit reached. Well then, let's get that checkpoint and keep the door down. Boom. No. Going back outside. Come on. Going outside isn't an option. Doesn't seem to have helped. Still more of them, I hear them. I don't think we got any then either. Sadly. Just teleporting around like an idiot. Oh! Oh, I knew you were there! How many more are there? Can't be that many, surely.
I think the dust in this place is setting off my allergies.
Oh yeah.
You're not even really there.
So my allergies are definitely here. See? Allergies.
Oh well, here we go. Barry's allergies are being set off, and I think I've got dust in my eye from not in the game. So yeah. This is going well. Right, here's the red box. Amazing how quickly you get through the revolver ammo. I'm going to switch back to the shotgun for now.
When people get tired, they get careless.
Oh. That was called getting the high ground. Just shooting from the stairs. That looked quite boss, actually. I was like, wow, look at me, I'm a badass. As I shoot you from the sky with my diamonds. Well, no. With my shotgun. Can't open that. Right, well, where do we go now? Down. Oh, it's on the other side of the fence, thank God. Pallet almost fell on me. Memory!
Stop it! They're waiting for us downstairs. We don't have time for Alan.
I knew
Dead.
she wasn't ready here, but she still made my heart ache and say yes. But I wasn't even sure when that happened. Was it days ago? Weeks? Longer? I had no way of knowing.
I was gonna say, that's not much of a bridge, but push it over and it becomes one. What about this? Oh! Well, that works well, doesn't it? Ah ha 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 ha! Oh, who's this?
Whoa, that's fast. I should have run out.
Oh shit. Okay. Prepare for us lot to die. The Noctophobic beauty, scared of the dark, no, whatever. With a horrific booty. Really? The soothing oasis in the seething crisis. Renowned and award-winning photographer's new coffee table book features intensely personal and intimate images from a life haunted by a husband who was never there. Writer's Muse. Pre-orders acceptable now. Oh no! Alan, you were a bit of a dick. But nobody deserved this.
That looks crazy dangerous, Al.
I think it is crazy dangerous. Oh crap. Well, that was special and dangerous, and especially dangerous. Let's go up the ladder then. Health is slowly regenerating after that almost near death. The amount of near death experiences, honestly. It's like, oh god. Hey! Big chimney stack. Memory! Who put all these candles here?
Hey, lover. Come here. I've got something for you.
I could
Okay.
only hope that Alice was alright. I didn't know what happened to her after she left the dark place.
She was alright, I guess.
Zane?
Stick to the
Is that
path.
you?
Let's go down the hatch. Ouch.
Hey, hold that pose. That was a good one.
Like this?
Yeah, but smile a little more. No, that's too much. You want to look mysterious. Maybe a little tough. You know how people go for those dangerous bad boys.
No.
But I'm not dangerous.
Oh, come on. You write about terrible things all the time. People want to think that you're intimately familiar with them. You kill Casey in this book. You need to look a little bit like a murderer. Oh, that's good. Do that again. You look handsome.
And dangerous.
You know, I wasn't sure about the beard before, but I was wrong. It looks good on you.
Beard?
Okay, I think we're done.
No.
Great. I want to get out of this suit.
Hey, things are looking up.
Guess danger is sexy.
What the frick?
That was when I was still working. When I felt like a real writer instead of a fraud.
Right,
It
where's
was
this
a good
clock?
memory. I wished I hadn't seen it.
Well, you saw it, and now you can't unsee it. In Bright Falls! Night Springs. I ballsed that up, didn't I? Right, where's this freaking clock? Click, click, clock, clock. Tick, tick, tock, tock. Oh well, there's no way that that could ever be dangerous. What? I'm in my bed. Room. And Thomas Zane seems to be. There's that frickin' clock. Thomas Zane seems to be here as well, but this isn't quite right. I guess what that breathing is. Yeah, we'll take the batteries. This is weird. Zane, I won't lie to you. Oh, I'm a bit worried. Oh my god.
Alan, you made it. This area of the dark place is calmer, at least for the time being. We can talk here, but we don't have much time.
Zane, how do I get out of here?
That's what you face. That's you, even as we speak.
Darkness. Darkness coming! Swept him away. Lost. He knew. He knew! He couldn't hold on. He knew there was no way out. Oh!
No, I'm right here,
What's
Zane.
going wrong?
That's not me. It's just,
Wrong!
I don't know, an echo, a hallucination, the dark presence.
No, the dark presence is not responsible for this. You are making this happen. You're trapped in your own nightmares. You are fighting yourself.
Huh.
Wade didn't understand it. He would never make it. He would never wake up. He'd get swallowed up in the rising tide of darkness. It was coming. It was coming.
Shut up! Ah!
No! Alan, you must leave.
Swept away by the gathering insanity. Zane was gone. Wade could feel the pressure, gnawing at his mind. The darkness wasn't so bad. It was in him. He felt it. He knew the voice spoke the truth. It was just too hard to think. He couldn't make sense of it. Couldn't. He wanted to go with the flow. Stop thinking and just let go.
Well, you're trying to... What the hell? Weird!